Let's review my trading day. Today is Tuesday the 19th of December 2023. We had a somewhat good day yesterday. We managed to end the day with a profit of 6 points over the 3 trades. So as we do with every day, we have a clean fresh chart and we'll plot yesterday's high and low, which is Monday the 18th of December, and we'll also do a Fibonacci retracement to capture that 50% level, so we've got our take profit targets clearly in sight when we're entering a trade. We can also capture the previous day, which is the Friday the 15th of December. So again, these prices are very close to each other, so I do want to capture those high and lows as well. I won't do a Fibonacci retracement for those price levels, however. Thursday was also even closer as well, actually. So we can see today it does look like there's a steady uptick of price. We'll wait to see what the price does in and around 9 o'clock before we make our first decision of where we're going to go for today. So let's just speed up time a little bit here because I didn't make a decision after 9 a.m. So we'll just whiz through until a decision has been made. So as you can still see, the price is slowly ticking upwards. However, it appears to start to downtrend now. So I think this is where we're going to get in, potentially catch the down movement quite early on. It's a little bit of a risk, but it does appear short term, especially the price is going down. So we have opened now our second trade for the downside, and hopefully this will go for us. We'll have a nice good start to the morning. But as you can see, currently it's struggling a little bit now to carry on to that downside, and ultimately it's broken that stop loss for a profit and loss of negative 5.25 points. So let's just review and see where we're going from here, because it does look like the upside now is extremely strong, really. So we might have to follow that trend and accept that the downside might not be on the cards today. So I've sped up the remaining morning session because no more trades were made, and I pretty much waited till bang on market open to make a decision here. So once market opens, you'll see that the trade has been opened, and it's following that upwards trajectory we've been following all morning. It's a bit of a risk because the price does, with a lot of volatility on market open, so the stop loss can just get wiped out instantly. But as you can see, it seems to be going okay for us so far. There might have to be a bit of a pullback there just to retest, but we took our profit and loss to make for the day 4 points before that pullback occurred, and we might try and get another trade in there once the market pulls back a bit more for us. But at the moment it doesn't appear to be the case. So again, we're going to go and open up another trade at the high of that opening range, if the price does pull back that far, of course, because it's still quite far away. It's about 7 points at the moment. So I've had to sit back here and just watch and be patient, because it was a long time coming before it was at a level I was comfortable opening a trade at. So I'm speeding up the charts again just to see that pullback and our entry, which is coming up in a moment or so. But the pullback, on watching the review of the recording, it's incredibly strong. So I potentially should have waited a bit more until that opening high range was open, because as you can see, pretty much as soon as I opened the trade pretty much closed and in my stop loss all the time, really. So I managed to close that trade early, so we're still at a profit and loss of 3 points for the day. So after that trade was closed, I made the decision just to call it for the day. We're almost at our end time of 5 p.m, so it just didn't make much sense. Well, actually past 5 p.m. now. It didn't make much sense in carrying on, so we're going to end the day at a profit and loss of 3 points over 4 trades. So we are still technically up for the week, which is 9 points at the moment. It's nowhere near good enough, but again, I'm just learning. I'm just trying to get used to things. So hopefully I can improve better. But thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.